The correlations tool shows how synchronous the term frequency is, that is, terms whose frequency rise and fall together. If you don't get any results, you go down here to minimum coverage and you lower the value until you get a result. Over here you get a term, and here you get another term, and in between you get the relative frequency of each term in comparison. Over here you get the correlation of the two terms and the significance of the result. Down here you can search for specific terms to see their correlation, and under scale you can decide if you want to see the correlation of the entire corpus or for specific documents. Up here you have the export button, where you can open the tool in a new tab. You can export HTML code or reference, and you can export the data as HTML, text, or JSON. Over here you can switch to a different tool, and the question mark gives you more information about the tool.